Dr. Ruby Payne, one of the things that schools are grappling with right now is their attendance. Their average daily attendance has dropped significantly, and this has hurt their budgets because schools make their money based on what their attendance is. So now the question becomes this: how do you get students to school? In the last 2 years, 30% of students miss more than 15 days of school. And so how do you begin to address it? And there is a book we've written, and it's based on the information of the neurobiology of the autonomic nervous system, which directs and controls a lot of behavior and learning at a subconscious level. Do you know how to access that, and do you know how to make it work for you? If you're not sure, this would be wonderful training for you to have in order that you have the funds that you can continue to educate in the way you would like to educate.